Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tech Insider. I've got 5 massive AI stories for you today. Let's get right into it. First up, OpenAI rolls out ChatGPT vision everywhere, and it changes everything. OpenAI just made their most aggressive move yet. ChatGPT's advanced vision and voice capabilities are now available on every single plan, including the free tier. Next story. Google DeepMind unveils Project Astra, the AI that never forgets. DeepMind just revealed Project Astra, an AI agent with persistent memory that remembers everything you show it, across days, not just sessions. Astra can watch you cook and remember your preferences, review your calendar and proactively suggest schedule changes, and even recall a conversation from last Tuesday. Story number 3. EU versus US versus China, the global AI regulation war heats up. The battle to control AI isn't just about technology anymore, it's about laws. The EU just enforced its strictest AI Act provisions, including mandatory watermarking and banned real-time facial recognition. Number 4. AI is now writing hit songs, designing buildings, and winning art competitions. The creative industry just hit an inflection point. Spotify reports that 14% of top 100 tracks now involve AI in production. And finally, Tesla Optimus and Boston Dynamics lead the humanoid robot revolution. Humanoid robots are no longer research projects, they're entering factories. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 has begun trial deployments at 2 gigafactories, performing repetitive assembly tasks with 99. That's all for today. Hit subscribe for daily AI updates. See you in the next one.